So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Carnival Corporation call options in Canada, ticker symbol CCL here on Wealthsimple. So once you have Wealthsimple opened up on your device, what you have to do is go into your account, go to the bottom bar right here and press on the magnifying glass icon or the discover screen. Now once you're on this screen, what you can either do at the top here is press on the search option and type in ticker symbol CCL for Carnival Corporation. Now the first option right here says Carnival Corp with the options button right beside the ticker symbol. That's what we want, so we're going to go ahead and press on that. Go to the bottom, press on buy, and then press on options. Now, if you wanted to buy Carnival Corporation call options, what you have to do is at the top here where it says, I believe that CCL will rise by, press on where it says rise. Go to the bottom to where it says put. If put's checked for whatever reason, it's going to say fall. But if you wanted to go to call option, just make sure that where it says fall, press on call option, make sure that's checked so that it should stay at rise. So CCL will rise by September 29th. So if you wanted to go ahead and change the expiry date, press on September 29th right here and change it to whatever expiry date that you want down the road. Now, once that is done, you can either go out of the money for a strike price or in the money for a strike price. So for demonstration purposes, we're going to go in the money and do a strike price of $13.50 USD. Right here. Now, if you want to finalize this purchase, go to the bottom and press on buy. And there you go. That is how you guys can buy Carnival Corporation call options in Canada. Ticker symbol CCL here on Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.